Hi guys, today we'll be playing a RainWorld puzzle room made by one of the mod devs. This was... I'm pretty sure this was based off of a YouTube AI video suggestion, and I will probably show on screen. And one of the devs actually made the puzzle room. So now we're going to be playing that. I think I have everything set to the rules. I disabled level items because that's probably not useful, but yeah. Let's see. Alright, RainWorld puzzle room. It should be pretty easy. Let's get the popcorn plant. That's it? Well, no wait, that's it. Damn. Other than that, the level does look good. I guess let's find a different solution. Oh wait. Oh. Oh, whoops. Like, you can just grab that spear, go up here. I guess I just won't grab the spear then. That makes more sense. Oh, my mouse is in the way. That will... I mean, they probably don't have, you know, spear grabbing enabled. But he also didn't say that it was against the rules. So like, technically I'm not doing anything wrong. I just noticed how he marked where I need to put the spears. If you look very closely. This will not be part of the mod, by the way. This is just... I have no content, so... Yeah, that's basically it. Puzzle room was actually pretty nice. If I hadn't cheesed it like immediately, then probably would have been slightly better, but I guess that's on me for using that setting. Other than that, the viewer suggested rooms, I will start working on the rooms tomorrow. I have 13 rooms to get through, some of them being small, some of them being big, so I don't know how long it will take to make that video, but I will start working on it tomorrow, so yeah. That's about it. Bye.